Oh, hi, what do you want? I want some strawberry milk. Strawberry milk? Just wait. Let me get it. Tumbler. This one too. And where's the water bottle? I can find it. Oh, here. Okay. I'm going to help you water. And no strawberries. Which one color? There's 2 strawberries. This one? Okay. Girl. 3 scoops away. Okay. Here's your lemon. Oh, here. Good job. Hello, what do you want? You want ramen? Okay, I got you. No, here's the ramen. Wait, the ramen is not good to eat, so you got to eat something else. Eat the You want to eat the circle pancake? You said yes? Okay. Got to get out the ramen soup. Now let's go get the envelope. It got to be in forces. You need to put so many. Okay, now we put some water. Now to mix it with my to mix it, we got to mix it. And where's the circle? Where's the circle? It was. Okay, now to put it. Now here's your circle. Try to eat it. Okay, this circle I think is good, right? Sweet and sour and actually sweet. Hi, what do you want? Oh, you want this one? The fleshy flesh. Okay, I'm gonna get it. Bibbidi bobbidi boo! This is the ice cream, so do not matter for me. And eat it! Where's it? Bruh, I missed the old one. Wait, here's your ice cream. Sour.